How to sell clothes on Depop. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to sell clothes on Depop. So first thing, you have to go and log in into your Depop account, and when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you have to go and find a cloth to list. So this could be unwanted items from your own wardrobe. This is a popular choices for people just starting out to sell. Then you need to go ahead and log in into your Depop account, or sign up your Depop account if you already have it. So next thing you need to do is set up your profile. As you're done setting up your profile, then you need to start with a PayPal account. Moving on with the PayPal account, then you need to set up a Depop payment method, and you need to start listing out the items. You need to write description about the item, set your price, and you should be able to sell your clothes on Depop. So in this simple way, you can sell items or clothes on Depop. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.